Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to reveal a fascinating topic that most men have no clue about. 5 secret weaknesses every woman has that can make her completely obsessed with you. Now, don't get me wrong, this is not about manipulation. It's about understanding human nature backed by research to help you connect better with women in a genuine way. So stick around till the end because I guarantee you'll learn something new and valuable to take your relationships to the next level. When it comes to relationships, most men focus on impressing women with external things like wealth, looks, or status. But the reality is that true attraction and connection are driven by deeper psychological and emotional triggers. If you can tap into these, you can build a connection that goes beyond the superficial. And what's great, I'm not talking about doing anything unethical or manipulative, just understanding these subtle aspects can make a huge difference. Weakness 1: the power of genuine validation. Women, like men, crave validation and recognition, but not in a superficial way. True validation comes when you appreciate their inner qualities, such as intelligence, kindness, or the hard work they put into their career. According to a study conducted by the Journal of Social Psychology 2020, women who received genuine validation about their personality and efforts reported higher levels of emotional connection and interest in their partners compared to those who only received compliments on physical attributes. Don't just say you look pretty, instead say something like, I really admire how passionate you are about your goals. When you appreciate a woman's inner qualities, it shows that you see and value her for who she truly is, which can create a lasting bond. Women feel understood and appreciated, which can make them more attached to you emotionally, as this kind of validation is rare and special. Weakness 2: active listening and deep conversations. Women are naturally wired to connect through communication. Having deep conversations and being an active listener can build a profound emotional bond. A research article from Psychology Today 2019 revealed that women are more attracted to men who can listen actively and engage in meaningful conversations. When women feel truly heard, they are more likely to open up and develop a deeper emotional connection. Instead of simply hearing what she says, engage with her words, ask follow-up questions, give thoughtful responses, and show genuine interest in her thoughts and feelings. This will demonstrate that you care about her perspective and opinions. She'll begin to associate your presence with feelings of comfort, trust, and emotional safety, 3 crucial elements that can make a woman feel deeply connected to you. Weakness 3: the subtle art of mystery and intrigue. Most men believe that being overly transparent and predictable is a sign of honesty, but creating a slight air of mystery can actually enhance attraction. According to a study by the University of Kansas 2021, women tend to find men more attractive when they can't figure them out completely. It stimulates their curiosity and compels them to want to know more. Don't reveal everything about yourself up front. Share interesting aspects of your life gradually and leave some topics for her to wonder about. Also, avoid being available 24/7. This adds a sense of intrigue and excitement. Women love to solve mysteries. This keeps her mentally engaged and intrigued, making her think about you even when you're not around. Weakness 4: vulnerability in controlled doses. Contrary to popular belief, showing vulnerability in a controlled manner is not a sign of weakness. It's a sign of strength and authenticity that women admire. A study published in Emotion 2018 found that women are more likely to be drawn to men who are capable of expressing vulnerability appropriately because it shows emotional depth and authenticity. Share personal stories that highlight your struggles or how you overcame difficult times. This doesn't mean unloading all your emotional baggage, just small glimpses into your genuine self. This creates a sense of trust and intimacy because she sees you as a real person with depth, making her feel a stronger emotional connection. Weakness 5: providing a sense of security and leadership. Women have an innate desire for security, not just physical, but emotional as well. A man who can provide a sense of stability and lead in a relationship is extremely attractive. A study from the Evolutionary Psychology Journal 2019 found that 84% of women ranked emotional security and leadership as top traits they look for in a partner. This isn't about being dominant, it's about being reliable and consistent. Make decisions confidently, be consistent with your words and actions, and show that you have a plan for the future. This reassures her that you are dependable, which can create a strong attachment. When a woman feels safe and secure around you emotionally and mentally, it's a powerful factor that can make her deeply invested in the relationship. So there you have it, guys. These 5 secret weaknesses are not about exploiting or manipulating anyone. Instead, they are about understanding deeper emotional triggers that create genuine connections.